Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 3 of history, that is the Delhi Sultanate. So the Delhi Sultanate means जब दिल्ली में officially Delhi was declared as the capital of India, तब जो वहाँ पे ruling system जो चलता था, that was basically known as the Delhi Sultanate. और ये जो दिल्ली सल्तनत है, आप जो पढ़ते हैं आपके प्रीवियस चैप्टर में कि हमारा जो हिस्ट्री है उसको 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है, एंशिएंट, मिडीवल एंड मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री, है ना। तो हम लोग मिडीवल हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हैं। लास्ट प्रीवियस 2 चैप्टर्स में आपने पढ़ा था कि अर्ली मिडीवल पीरियड में क्या था, क्लियर। तो हमने राजपूत, प्रतिहारास, राष्ट्रकूटास और अफगान्स, इन सब का जो रूलिंग पार्ट था वो हमने पढ़ा, दैट बिलोंग टू द अर्ली मिडीवल पीरियड। नाउ द दिल्ली सल्तनत. The Delhi Sultanate is the late medieval period. Delhi Sultanate क्या है? It is the late medieval period. Means ऐसा medieval period जो end था, medieval period का जो ending part था, that is known as the late medieval period. उस टाइम पे basically 5 dynasties rule करने के लिए आई थी. सबसे फर्स्ट वन वाज द स्लेव डायनासिटी. द दिल्ली सल्तनत हैज 5 major dynasties. The first one was the slave dynasty. Okay. इस डायनासिटी में basically the people were considered as slaves. Okay, either they were considered as slaves or servants. Means जो kings होते थे या rulers होते थे, they started to own the slaves. Means उनको own कर लेते थे by giving a particular amount of money कि they will work for them, both the things, like for wars as well as for domestic works. Clear? तो the slave dynasty में क्या था? Basically the people owned other people to work for them. Then after the slave dynasty को conquer किसने किया था? The slave dynasty was conquered later by the Khiljis. The Khiljis dynasty. Okay, but in the slave dynasty there was one major powerful ruler named Razia Sultan. Razia Sultan was the first woman ruler who actually ruled the Delhi Sultanate, but she died in an attack. Attack किया था nobles ने, because they could not tolerate a woman ruler as their ruler of Delhi Sultanate. They always wanted a man to rule. So nobles attacked Razia Sultan and Razia Sultan died. Later, the brother of Razia Sultan, Nasiruddin Shah, ruled the Delhi Sultanate. And then the slave dynasty was conquered by the Khilji dynasty. Okay, the Khilji dynasty was started by Jalaluddin. And later it was taken over by his son Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji was the reowned, means he was the reowned ruler of Delhi Sultanate because he was very powerful and he ruled the Khilji dynasty or the Delhi Sultanate for long period. He also followed the policies of Rajputs like Ashoka. उसने अपने opposition party के को कॉन्कर किया था लैंड को, बट स्टिल उसने उनको रूल करने दिया था. Then Alauddin Khilji had one of his own reowned slave or a vassal. उसका एक वसल after the death of Alauddin Khilji. Gafur ruled for several years. Then the Khilji dynasty was conquered by the Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, so the Tughlaq dynasty was first started by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He was a brilliant scholar, means he was very well educated, but he made few mistakes जिसकी वजह से the Tughlaq dynasty came to an end. Okay, so the first mistake he did was he questioned the ulamans. Ulamans were the common society or the common people of the dynasty. Okay, उसने क्या किया था, उनको क्वेश्चन किया था except for nobles. Then second mistake he did, he changed the capital उसने दिल्ली को चेंज करके दौलताबाद में शफल कर दिया था उसका कैपिटल. दैट मेजर चेंज एंड ही चेंज द करेंसी. उसने क्या चेंज किया था, करेंसी. एंड ही रेज द टैक्सेस. उसने जब टैक्सेस को रेज किया था, करेंसी चेंज किए, कैपिटल चेंज किया एंड उसके कॉमन पीपल को क्वेश्चन किया था. उसके बाद ऑल द पीपल वेंट अगेंस्ट हिम एंड they revolted against him and some of them changed to the other place. This gave decline to the Tughlaq dynasty and gave rise to the Sayyids dynasty. In this dynasty, the people or the common people of the Delhi Sultanate supported Sayyid for their benefits. Okay, he supported the rights of the common people. But Sayyid dynasty was conquered by the Lodis dynasty. The Lodis came to rule to Delhi Sultanate, and the Lodis were the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate.